Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my garden, whatever is blooming. So my plants are just starting to bloom. This is end of January and I am very late. I am 1 month late. So things are not yet in full bloom. They have just started to flower. As you can see, the weather is kind of getting hot and I'm worried that things will not go very well. But anyways, let me show you what is blooming right now. Dahlia starting to bloom. Look at them. This is a beautiful yellow color. Quite bushy plant. I have two plants in a 12-inch pot. And you can see there's a pink and white blend and the yellow in the same pot. I have here another dahlia blooming. This is going to be deep red, great color and lots of buds. Here I have a red and white or orange and white. Also lots of buds. That is the snapdragon. Here I have a larkspur. This is growing surprisingly well because I did not plant it. This is a volunteer plant grown from last year's seed and it's quite tall. Buds are here but not the flowers. They're so late and I don't think my garden gonna last very well. Here I have poppy. This is a deep red one. And this is orange. So here I have another dahlia. Not bloomed, but this might be purple. Here's another dahlia. This is African daisy. This one is getting bushy and birds are here. This is a snapdragon. Just buds are starting to appear. See how late I am. And cosmos. Everything is just starting to bloom except this one, cherry gold. This one is blooming well. This is another cherry gold, or this is a type of chrysanthemum actually. Cherry gold is not the official name. Locally they call it cherry gold. But this is blooming really well. And here we have some more poppies. This one is blooming very well. Lots of flowers. This year I have red hollyhock. Red hollyhocks are blooming first time in my garden. Really nice color. I have a lot of plants, but you can see I don't have a lot of flowers yet. It is a bit frustrating. But anyways, here I have, oh my god, I forgot these flowers. Oh god, I forgot the name. Oh, Nemesia. This is Nemesia. Very beautiful colors. Look at the gerbera. Here is a pansy, yellow and brown, maroon, white and purple. And this is full purple or blue. Here's my gazania. There's another one. Look how beautiful they are. Look at this one. And this is Nicotiana or Nicotiana. I don't know how to pronounce this. Nicotiana probably. And this is blooming so well. Nicotiana. The color is a bit faded color, but still good. Blue petunia. This is they told me this is going to be yellow petunia. This is not exactly yellow, but there's a slight yellow tint in it. And this one is pink. The pink one is blooming well. Is this yellow? Whatever. This is a purple one. This is blooming really well. Look at that. These are alyssum, sweet alyssum. Nicely blooming. Globalia, not yet blooming. Just only a few flowers over here. Everything is growing really late. Those are malva or malva. And this here is Rudbeckia. The only thing that is blooming on time. The Rudbeckias. Now one of the saddest thing in my garden is the rose. This year my roses did not bloom as I hoped. Yes, so I am kinda disappointed with my roses. This one bloomed well, but the rest of them, this one didn't bloom at all. The roses have some kind of problem this year. My roses are not performing well this year at all. These are my new roses. This is zucchini. I'm growing zucchini first time, and they're actually quite tasty. They're not growing that big, but still not bad. So here's another new rose that I bought, and I think I am going to love this rose because it has been like, I think it's been 3 months. No, it's like 2 months, and this plant is continuously producing flower buds. But I have pruned the flower buds. I did not take flowers, and you can see here basil shoot. So this is how the flowers look like in this plant. I kind of like it. So that is it. That is how my garden is looking right now. To me, it is looking quite bad. Anyways, let me know how your garden is doing, and I will bring more updates soon. See you next time. Bye.